ఆనకట్ట కట్టారు. ఆనకట్ట కట్టి నీటిలోకి పొక్కి నీళ్ళని ఇక్కడ నిలిపి ఇటువైపు మళ్ళించారు. ఆ నుంచి కాలువ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఇలా వాటర్ వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటుంది ఆ పొలాల వైపు. ఇలా కనిపిస్తున్న ఈ చిలకంతా మాదే. నాకు దూపేస్తుంది, తాకడానికి వచ్చా. Friends, this is fresh water canal beside my agriculture land, and also this is Aponogeton natans plant. Aponogeton natans, this is a aquatic plant. Basically it is a aquatic plant. This plants grows fresh water canals, and also if you see here, this is a beads. So these beads are edible. Hydrophytes plant, and also carbohydrates are stored in root in survive summer. This is metamorphosis. During drought, it survive in tubers, wild beads. This plant survive in wild beads, tubers. Starchy seeds as roasted is taken as a food. Friends, these beads similar and look like a colocasia, and these beads if taken as a food, if you eat roasted beads while eat, if you feel starchy and also fiber and also very tasty, and also health benefits also have these beads. The bulbs that are collected in early winter are consumed as a raw also after cooking. Flowering spike and young shoots are used vegetables. Starchy seeds is roasted and taken as a food. Decoction of leaves in used stomach disorder and digestive problems. The wound caused by heat is treated with entire plant extract. Tuber is ground with water and the paste is applied topically to treat wound. The bulbs that are collected in early winter are consumed. Now I will show how to collect the wild beads. So find out one plant and put the fingers into the soil firmly and grab to the wild beads. Oh, it's like a big, and pull it out, and also clean the beads. So now appear to wild beads. This is wild beads. Telugu people called dumpa, adavi dumpa, adavi dumpa gaddalu. Dumpa gaddalu, adavi dumpa, Telugu people called. This is. So it is similar to colocasia, appear similar to colocasia. This is the wild beads. So Aponogeton natans wild beets. Friends, you know how I got this knowledge? You know, this knowledge I got from my father. Is late. My father name is Ramagiri Lasmaya. This knowledge I got from my father. By that time, I was studying 5th to 10th class. By that time, my father, this canal, they was collected and baked and fried here. He bring up to home. We all eat by that time. So thank you, my dad. Friends, he is my brother, my father own brother son, and also her my daughter, his own daughter. So this video shooted by this girl. Her name is Swati, and his name is Ramagiri Prabhakar, my brother. So he also helped me while collecting beads. ఈ సెంటర్లోనే మెత్తగా ఉందన్న భూమి. ఇంకా కలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. కొన్ని అక్కడ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. అటు పక్కకు పెట్టేసాను కాలు అంచులు పెట్టి. ఇంకా కడుగు ఒకసారి దాన్ని పక్కకి వేసి. ఇన్ని దుంపల్ని మేము సేకరించాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. కొన్ని కొన్ని కాదండి ఉంటుంది. ఒక్కసారి వెళ్ళి ఆ పెద్ద కాదు తీసి వచ్చింది. ఎనఫ్ సరిపోయింది. కొంచెం తీసి ఈ పీస్ మంచిగా వస్తుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్.
అవుతుందా?
ఎనఫ్
ఎక్కువ
మధ్యలో అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు దుకాణం బొమ్మని ఎవడు పోడు, నువ్వే పోవాలి.
చిన్న బ్రేక్ తీసుకున్నాం, చిక్కుదాం పట్టుకుంటాం.
ఇదేనా నీళ్ళు పోసుడు చల్లారినట్టు.
ఇక్కడ
చూడకి నారవి చూడు. చాలా బాగున్నాయి, పిండి పిండి టేస్టీగా ఉంటాయి. ఇదో డిఫరెంట్ టేస్ట్ ఉంటుంది, తింటేనే అర్థం ఉంది.
Thank you for watching this video. Bye friends. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Bye friends. Bye.